Whoops. I don't know if that was supposed to happen. This doesn't exactly match that perfectly, so now to get the new glass in. Or not.
Oh, damn.
I think I got that right. There's a hole in our RV, dear Cherie.
This great adventure.
Hi guys, Tom here again, EnjoyTheJourney.Life. We've got an install video for you today, and we are going to put in the thin shade from Lippert Components. They were nice enough to send this to us to actually replace that window up there, which you can't see through. Actually, the stock window that comes with the doors for the Momentum, this time we'll be able to actually see out of the window or pull a shade. So it's got some cool little features and it's a nice DIY project. If you're brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's the new glass right there, tinted, and the shade and the window frame, both sides of that. Simple, right? So we're going to open these levers left to right on the top, and then on the bottom we're going to go right to left. Time to attach the thin shade into the frame. Snap it right in here. Slide the lever over right there to lock it into place. I'll check it, see if I got it. Yep, it's locked into place on the top. I'll go to the bottom down here. Try the one lever on this side. Okay, I'll bring in that side. That's locked in. Then bring in that side. There we go. Just like that. I think I got that right. Okay, what's next? I'm not seeing this doesn't exactly match that perfectly, so let me look at the instructions. So very important point here before taking this window out, that we're gonna tape it in so it doesn't fall out when we're pulling it off from the other side. Just do a little bit of tape. I'll put extra on the sides just to be sure. It would be better to use painter's tape, but duct tape, that's what I got right now. We won't leave it on very long. We don't want it peeling anything off of here when we take it off, especially in this heat. So we've got these little inserts here to help us pull the old window out right here. And it's kind of interesting, they've got little slots here. You can hardly even see them along here that these shove into. There's one. Shove that in right there. So where's the next one? Oh, right there. Where is it? Oh. There it is. Those are tight. Guess the window can't be too easy to pull out, huh? Not even halfway done here. starting to kind of pull out a little bit the more I go around with these, so. As more of these go in, it's easier to get them in, and this is starting to come loose now, so that's good. I almost can pull it out like it is. Now that I've got them all the way around it, I can actually start to shove them in more. And I assume that's going to go ahead and loosen it up even more. Can get more and more of them in. Oh, here it goes. I'm about ready to pop this thing out. Stubborn though. There goes that part. Whoops. I don't know if that was supposed to happen. Hey, there we go. I think I only broke part of it. It's interesting, you can see how these tabs curved in to pop it out as they were pushed in. Kind of cool. So now I'm going to take out this piece right here. Carefully take this tape off here. There, look, it didn't take any of those off or leave any nasty residue. Let's try to like push it out now. That's still in there pretty good. I don't think I need to tape this at all. It's starting to come out. There we go. Just gotta hang on to that piece of glass there. At least it's not sharp. I got the sealant there stuck on really good. Ah, there we go. Should we quit here?
No, we have a hole in our RV.
There's a hole in our RV, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in our RV, dear Cherie, dear Cherie. There's a hole in our RV, dear Cherie, a hole. So we've got this piece with the new glass ready to place inside. Being careful not to drop it out the other side. Let's try that again. Now to get the new glass in, or not. I'm gonna put this piece in first without the glass and put the glass in from the other side. I think that's gonna be the ticket to getting this in a little easier. So that went in. Nice. I put tape again on the outside here to hold this frame in so it doesn't fall out. All right, now let's put the glass in there. We've got this little bottom writing here. Want to make sure that's on the bottom. Place that in the frame. Whoops. This does not look very classy like this. It's super humid out here, so this tape is not sticking, so I'm gonna have to get CHERI'S help to do this operation here. Grab the other piece. CHERI'S gonna hold the glass while I put in the other piece. Put it up there carefully. You always have to like be like hanging on to it.
I thought you were holding on to the outside.
I was. It's just this stupid tape.
Should we do it all the way across?
I think it's too humid.
They're little pieces of tape. They're not going to stick.
Did you see how much tape I put up here? I put a lot of tape.
Oh, damn.
In the top.
Well, you're just going to have to hold it. I'll hold it and put that piece in.
More duct tape. Make that look even better. Okay, I don't think it's going to go anywhere.
Okay.
Don't put it in just yet.
I'm not. I don't trust anything. Let me know when. Go ahead.
Yeah, just go ahead and get it in there. I'll make sure this is nice and tight and you're holding on to it.
Okay.
Okay. You wanna, I've got it from the outside. You wanna carefully slip that into the frame?
Yeah, it looks like it's coming out up here. It is. The glass is coming out. All right.
Start from the bottom. See if something will snap.
Maybe that's it. I don't know. It doesn't feel like it. Maybe. Okay, reposition.
Well,
this is all the way in over here.
Is it?
It's not snapping in or anything.
I've gotta get on the outside because this is like it's coming. Let's just swing around here. Stick this all back down. Okay.
We're getting somewhere.
Yeah, let's kind of work our way up. Is the glass in the right position?
Looks like it. Okay, I think you can come and reinforce it. It looks like it's in. I think we have success.
Holy cow. Supposed to be done before it got dark. Woo. I don't think that's going to come out. Once we got that lined up, it just pretty much snapped right in, but it was the lining that up without dropping that. Cool. We'll give that a good washing later on. Finally got this installed as it's getting dark. Some tips I would share with you guys as you saw us struggling with all of that tape and stuff coming off is maybe not install it when it's super humid, but it's very warm and humid down here in Florida almost every day. So we almost dropped that glass a couple of times. So lots of the right kind of tape. And yeah, be careful or you might break that glass. And maybe have some help when you're putting it in too, might be the best idea. But thanks again to Lippert for sending us the thin shade window installation kit. We look forward to many years of having this and being able to see outside or have the privacy shade pulled down like we do now. And thanks again for watching. If you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. That way you catch every video that we release. Let us know in the comments what you thought about this and would you install one of these on your RV. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.
You gonna throw some shade?
Throw some shade? What does that mean?
Are you serious?
Yeah. So shady.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home, anywhere you wanna go. from the start.